Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. It's Abhi here. So today in our video I'm going to make a review of an amazing product which is called Lotus Professionals Phyto RX Clarifying Pimples and Acne Cream. So before going into the review, I'll say you what the product is about. The product is from the brand Lotus Professional and it is a pimple or acne cream which is used to remove the pimples, compress the pimple. So yes, the price is it costs around 395. Exact price is 395. You can order online or you can find it in your nearby store also. So this product contains natural ingredients like sage extract, cloves, thyme and tea tree extract, which are highly beneficial in removing or compressing your pimples. So if you ask me this, why should I try this product? Why should I spend so much for this particular product? If just ask me why are you having it, I'm just I just came to know about this product from Nika assistant. I had my own skin concerns and they just suggested me to buy this product, since I told my skin type, I have a very dry skin type and so many things. And she just suggested me this product, and even I have suggested my sensitive skin type friends also. So one of the advantages of this is it suits all skin types. It has no strong fragrance, it is just moderate and tolerable. The main advantage of this particular thing is it does its job. Really friends, you can trust me, really it does its job great. To a great extent it does. You can think that just a 15 gram of the product costs so much. Yes, it is quite costly, but still it does what it claims to do. Within a night it actually helps in compressing the pimple. It actually helps you without leaving the acne marks. That is the main thing we want, is it? Without leaving the acne marks behind, it helps to completely remove your acne from your skin. So I just loving this product so much. So now I'll show you the consistency. According to me, if you just ask me, anything which is transparent or which is like opaque or transparent, especially which is transparent, is amazing according to me. So this particular product comes in this consistency and it is transparent. So absolutely I love this product. It does not contain very strong fragrance, as I told you. It is tolerable. It is actually worth spending things on it. I do try more DIYs like mixing up neem powder with turmeric for pimples, but still I wonder, even these things, any shop bought things or any brand which completely removes pimple, is really amazing thing for me. I just wondered, even in my first try, my pimple has really got reduced overnight. That was a very very amazing thing for me. I couldn't even believe it. So you can just have a hands on this if you can. If you want any more reviews regarding any products, you can just comment down, share with your friends. If you like this video, or if really you want to suggest this product to someone, you can also suggest it. I'll give the link down in the description. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Abhi. Bye.